I'm going to give you a clean, no-jargon tour of the biggest security threats, what they are, how they're different, and what actually helps. If you've ever clicked a sketchy link, reused a password, yeah, this one's for you. Let's line up the usual suspects and compare. Phishing versus malware. Phishing is the bait. Messages that trick me into doing the damage myself. Clicking, typing my password, sending money. It's social. It feels urgent. Your package failed to deliver. Log in now. Malware is the payload, software that runs on my device. Keylogger's spyware, ransomware. It's code. It hides. Defense? For phishing, slow down, verify the sender, hover over links, use passkeys, use 2FA so stolen passwords don't help. For malware, keep devices updated, install from trusted stores, run security tools. Ransomware is loud, locks files and demands cash. I'll know fast. Spyware is quiet, steals data and watches me. I may not know it all. Backups beat ransomware. If I can restore, I don't pay. Spyware needs detection. Updates app permissions, network monitoring. Password attacks guess my login. Brute force or common patterns. Credential stuffing reuses passwords from old breaches on new sites. It's faster and scarier if I reuse. Fix? Unique passwords per site, password manager, 2FA. Passkeys are even better. A 0-day is a brand new vulnerability, no patch yet. High-value targets care most, but anyone can be collateral. N-day is known and patched, but I didn't update. Attackers love that. Strategy: auto-update everything. Seriously. DDoS floods a site so nobody can use it. Availability attack. Account takeover steals identity, confidentiality, and integrity attack. If I run a site, DDoS protection rate limits. For my accounts, strong auth login alerts. MITM intercepts traffic on the path. Evil Twin fakes a hotspot so I connect to the attacker directly. Defense. HTTPS everywhere, VPN on public Wi-Fi and verify networks before joining. Insiders already have access, malicious or careless. External hackers break in from outside. Controls differ. For insiders, least privilege monitoring. For outsiders, patching firewalls and hardened auth.